Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off use in-app browser on your account on X-Switcher easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility, display and languages settings, and now click display, and here you will find it, use in-app browser. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on use in-app browser on your account on X-Switcher easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.